Good morning, dear students. Today we will start chapter 3, Weather and Climate. In this lesson, we will learn about difference between weather and climate, factors affecting the climate of the world, heat zones of the earth. So let's start. Children, people living in the different parts of the world have different lifestyles. They live their lives in a different way. They live in different types of houses, eat a variety of food, and wear different kinds of clothes. This difference in lifestyle is due to the different climatic conditions in various parts of the world. Even in our country, there is a diversity in the lifestyle which is due to different climatic conditions within the country. हमारी कंट्री में भी अलग अलग जगह पर लोग अलग अलग तरीके से रहते हैं. You can see in northern India people have different kinds of dressing style, they eat different kind of food, and in South India people dress differently and they have different eating habits. So let's move forward. Weather and climate. Many times the terms weather and climate are used interchangeably. We think them same. We think that weather and climate are same, but the fact is that these two are not the same. They are different. Weather, what is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a given time and place. So weather is condition of atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The air around us is called atmosphere. So our surroundings. Okay. So what is weather? It is the condition of atmosphere at a given time and place. Like right now we are in Karnal and we have a different kind of weather here. But it may be at some other place in Haryana, like if you go to Rewari at the same time, there may be here it is very sunny, but there it can be cloudy. So the weather is changeable. It may not remain constant even for a single day. And even the weather of Karnal may not be same for the same day. In the morning it can be sunny. In the afternoon maybe there is raining. That is why we often describe weather as sunny, warm, cloudy, rainy or cold. So these are the terms we use for weather at different times. So it keeps on changing. The basic factors that determine the weather are, means how do we decide that how the weather is? Through temperature of air. Through the temperature of air we come to know what kind of weather is at a particular place. Precipitation. Precipitation means how much rain is there. Next, wind. What kind of wind is blowing? Atmospheric pressure. At the particular time, how much atmospheric pressure is there? Cloudiness. How many clouds are there? What kinds of clouds are there? Humidity. How much moisture is there in the air? So these are the factors that determine the weather of a place. Children, do you know people who study weather conditions are called meteorologists? They are called meteorologists. The people who study weather conditions. Next is climate. Climate of a place is the average weather conditions over a long period of time. So what is the difference between weather and climate? Weather is the condition of atmosphere at a given time and place, at a particular time and at a particular place. But climate of a place is the average weather condition. It is also weather condition, but it is average weather condition over a long period of time. For example, if you see the climate of Jammu and Kashmir, you will come to know that there will be no loo at that place. Never, it can never be there. अगर आप जून में भी वहाँ जाओगे तो आपको इतनी गर्मी कभी फील नहीं होगी. The temperature will not rise so much as it rises in northern India. Even at the coastal areas, अगर आप coastal areas में जाएंगे तो वहाँ भी इतनी गर्मी नहीं होगी जितनी हमारे northern places में होती है. So different places in the world experience different types of climate. Climate is different at different places, but it is average weather condition. It can never happen कि एक जगह पर अगर स्नोफॉल हो रहा है तो नेक्स्ट डे वहाँ लू चलेगी. It is average weather condition. There can be, if the temperature is 25 first day, second day it can be 27, but it can never be 47. So average क्या है? It can be little up and little down. Not so much difference will be there. So different places in the world experience different types of climate. Some regions are hot and dry. In our country also there are some regions that are hot and dry like Rajasthan. In some areas the climate is cold and the land is covered by snow and ice. In some areas we have cold and the land is covered by snow and ice throughout the year. In some parts of the world, the climate is neither too hot nor cold and there is moderate rainfall. So, we have these kinds of areas also in India, like our coastal areas. They are neither too hot nor too cold and they have moderate climate. On the basis of climatic conditions, we divide the earth into different climatic regions. So, on the basis of different climatic conditions, the earth is divided into different climatic regions. The factors that determine the climate of a place are, first is latitude. What are the things that determine the climate of a place? किसी भी जगह का climate कैसा होता है वो किससे decide होगा? Through the following factors. First is latitude. Latitude means the distance from equator. किसी भी जगह का distance कितना है equator से. Next is altitude. Altitude means height above the sea level. Third is winds. What kinds of winds blow there? Fourth is distance from the sea. How far a place is from the sea. Fifth, humidity. How much moisture is there in the air. And last one is ocean currents. So dear children, these are some factors that determine the climate of a place and we will learn about them in detail in the next class. So we will stop here. See you in the next class. Have a wonderful day.